In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain name to Namecheap. Whether you're seeking better pricing, improved domain management features, or just looking to consolidate your domains under one account, transferring your domain to Namecheap can be a smart move. And the good news is that it's a straightforward process. I'll guide you step by step through this transfer, making sure you have the necessary information and tips along the way. Let's get started by first logging into your Namecheap account. Go to the Namecheap website and click on the account button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll need to enter your username and password in the fields provided. This ensures that only authorized users can initiate domain actions. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the sign in and continue button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu of the Namecheap interface. Hover over the domain tab, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Domain Transfer. This initiates the domain transfer process, allowing you to bring your domain over to Namecheap. The next step involves getting what's called an authorization code from your current domain registrar. This code is essential as it's a form of protection, ensuring that only the rightful domain owner can request a transfer. Most registrars give you access to this code in your domain management settings, so you may want to log into your current registrar's site to obtain it. Once you've secured the authorization code, return to the Namecheap domain transfer page and click on the transfer button. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name along with your authorization code. Make sure you enter this information carefully, as any errors will delay the transfer process. Once your information is verified, click on the Verify AUTHIEF code button to confirm its validity. Now that the authorization code is successfully verified, Namecheap will present you with an option to add to cart. This step is where the actual transfer process begins. Click on this button to proceed and you'll be directed to your shopping cart where you can review your domain transfer order. Finally, you're ready to complete the checkout process. Ensure all details are accurate and follow the checkout prompts to finish your purchase. You might need to update some billing or ownership information at this stage. Once you've confirmed everything, finalize your order. It's important to note that some domains may not be eligible for transfer due to certain restrictions, such as timing or specific registry rules. Always double check your domain's eligibility status with your current registrar to avoid unnecessary complications. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to transferring your domain to Namecheap. By following these steps, you'll have your domain successfully relocated, taking advantage of all the benefits Namecheap has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy transferring.